Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Urban Backyard Container Gardening, and I'm Moses. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. You guys keep the channel rocking and rolling. So in today's video, we're going to use the produce that we got in the last video, the cauliflower and broccoli. We're going to make an Italian dish called Giardiniera, and I thought I would bring you along. Giardiniera means in Italian, it means from the garden. It usually has vegetables that are pickled and usually finished off with olive oil. You can have it with salads. When I first had it, I had it with a antipasto salad, and it was delicious. So in my version of it, we're going to put cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and some pepperoncinis, and put it all in a brine and then bottle it up. So yesterday I cut up all my veggies and I put them in this bowl with a couple tablespoons of kosher salt and covered it with water overnight. This helps to keep the veggies crisp. And what I'm doing now is pouring the water off. And we're going to give them a quick rinse. So in here we have peppers, green pepper, red pepper, we have cauliflower, we have broccoli, and we have carrots. And hopefully you can see veggies are nice and bright colored, and we're rinsing off the salty water. Next step, I'm going to put my pickling brine into my pot and let it come to heat. We are going to put in 3 cups of water, and I'm using bottled water. So I added 2 cups there, and we're going to add another cup. We're going to add 3 bay leaves, some garlic, and some red pepper flakes. Two tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, tablespoon of black peppercorn, and last but not least, 3 cups of vinegar. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to add our veggies in. Okay, hopefully you can see pretty well. Veggies are nice and crisp. Now we're going to go ahead and bottle these up. I have 6 pint containers that hopefully this will be enough to fill all of those. So I added a jar of pepperoncinis into the mixture because I love pepperoncini. And excuse me, we're just going to put in the veggies and put in some of the brine and try not to get burnt in the process. And here we are. We have our finished product. We have 6 pints and we have 2 quart size. And I think I did a pretty decent job. Now, it's my first time making it, but I definitely will be making it more of this with the cauliflower that I still have out there. Got to do something to use the veggies that I grow so that they don't go bad. My wife and I both love Giardiniera, and there's nothing better than making your own homemade version of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a comment and don't forget to hit the like button. I'll go ahead and put the the recipe that I found in the comment section or on screen so that you all can have it as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.